You already know how to analyze financial numbers such as revenue, profit, EPS, ratios. But what about the hundreds of pages of text inside an annual report, which speak about strategy, risk, growth, and outlook? This is unstructured financial information, and it contains valuable insights. This is where natural language processing or NLP comes in. Using Python, we can process financial text to discover patterns and themes. And with generative AI, we can take those themes further, interpreting, summarizing, and exploring what they might mean. Imagine going from an annual report to themes and from themes to financial insights. That's what we will explore in financial text analytics with Python and generative AI.